What's good, Sparkies? My name is Trishaa and welcome back to my channel with another video. So my birthday month is going on and कुछ दिनों में मेरा birthday week भी आने वाला है. So this video is about a birthday glow. कुछ ऐसा fancy नहीं होने वाला, but I'm gonna pamper myself little bit more, that too at home. But first we are going to salon to fix my hair. मैं बहुत time से रुकी थी just for my birthday because I like to get everything done on my birthday. So first we're gonna fix my hair. Started going to college. I started a lot of treatments. Not a lot but मैंने कुछ ट्रीटमेंट्स लिए थे and जो कुछ भी नेचुरल नहीं है वो कुछ हद तक आपके बालों को डैमेज करता ही करता है. So since 2023 I have stopped taking all of the treatment. I'm just going ahead with haircut and a good hair spa to fix and get back my original texture of the hair, and I'm pretty much happy with that as well. So yeah, first we're gonna go and get my haircut done and then I'll catch you later. And that's my fit for the day, a normal white t-shirt with a denim and my sling bag. मैंने क्विकली चेंज भी किया, एक्चुअली करना पड़ा बिकॉज आई एम सो क्लमजी दैट मैंने अपने वाइट टी शर्ट पे स्टेन लगा दिया. बट कैन यू सी द कट? ओ माई गॉड, इट्स लुकिंग सो प्रिटी. आई एम इन लव विद दिस माई कट्स. ऑल्दो मेरे हाईलाइट्स पूरे जा चुके हैं. बेसिकली दिस इज अ बटरफ्लाई कट. आई एम रियली वेरी हैप्पी. माई हेयर feels so fresh. I'm gonna change into my comfortable clothes. I'm gonna remove my makeup and I'm gonna scrub my face. I'm gonna use face mask as well. But before we move ahead, I want to talk to you guys about something, and it's a bag. So when I was in salon, I get so many compliments for this gorgeous bag. I mean, look at this. It's looking so pretty. If you know me, you know that I love sling bag, but this is particularly is my favorite one. So this is basically from Zook. This is from their XoXo collection. Zook is a proudly Indian vegan brand, and the best part is that it's handcrafted. I mean, look at this beauty. No matter which outfit you are wearing, this will always give you compliments. I love how spacious it is. So let me share with you what I have in my this bag. So let me first start with the bag itself. So this is from Zook's XoXo collection. It comes with this kind of adjustable sling, and it has this main compartment over here. And the best part, it do come with this back zip, which I always prefer whenever I'm buying a sling bag because it's so handy to keep all the chillers and keys and all those handy stuffs over here. Look, मैंने बहुत कुछ इसमें ठूसा हुआ है. So it do comes with this two compartments, and यहाँ पे एक आपको zip वाला compartment भी मिलेगा. So the first thing I have in my bag is my phone and a charger. Second is my earpods because I cannot live without music. Then I have is this scrunchie and this clip because you never know when you need this as well. Then I have is this emergency makeup slash skincare pouch. This has all of my essentials like my sunscreen, my mini perfume, my compact, and I have is this blush. This is from Rare Beauty, my absolute favorite Play Tint by Benefits. I always keep them with me. And I have is couple of lipsticks because how many lipsticks? I have many lipsticks. And my most essential is my lip balm. So currently I'm obsessed with this Laneige Gum Berry edition lip mask. I love Laneige for lip balms. I'm sucker for Laneige, and this is really cute. I just purchased because this is really cute. Now my bag is almost empty, but it do comes with this middle zip pocket. Now let me show you what I have. So I have to keep always two pouches, one for my makeup, skincare, and one for medical slash essential. Since this bag has this zipper pocket, I directly put everything into this. So it has my emergency allergies medicine, and I always keep this pad. Yeah, that's about it for this bag. I really love how spacious it is, and it fits all of my essential stuff which I need on day-to-day life. Plus, it is so sturdy and it looks so gorgeous as well. The link will be mentioned down in the description box in case you want to purchase for yourself or your loved ones, and don't forget to use my coupon code to get some extra discount. So yeah, that's about it. Now let's continue with the birthday glow up. I'm starting by removing my makeup. First, I'm using this Derma micellar water. This is the only micellar water which I use. Now I'm quickly go and scrub my face and come back. Alright, I'm back and my skin feels so nice. Now I'm using this Illuminating Glow Detain Face Mask. This is actually by Dot & Key. This is really good. It suits me so well. If you're like me who has dry or sensitive skin, I think you should definitely try this one. Little crazy, but I use this same face mask on my body as well. I know I look like a clown, but this will set on my face for almost 15-20 minutes. Until that, we are going to make vision board. I know it's not a new year, but for me my birthday is a new year, and हर साल मैं अपने birthday के month में ही vision board बनाती हूँ. I know it sounds little crazy, but I set a year goal from my birthday to birthday. I hope I'm making sense. So I'm gonna grab my laptop and work on my vision board. Also मुझे एक brand के लिए video edit करके भी देना है, so I'm gonna do that also. And till then ये face mask अपना काम भी कर लेगा. Okay, so now it's dry and my face is little tight as well. Now I'm gonna wash it and quickly see. This feels so nice. I love how tight and clean my skin is feeling. Now I'm gonna use this eye patch which I have from Quince. The brand was kind enough to send me, so thank you. I'm not just short heighted, मेरा face भी बहुत छोटू है, so ये सब ना मुझे बहुत बड़ा रहता है. Use my gua sha, but before that I'm gonna use this toner. बहुत ही ज़्यादा hydrating है. Like sometimes I just use this toner and directly sunscreen. ये इतना ज़्यादा hydrating है, and trust me मेरी skin बहुत ज़्यादा dry है. So I'm gonna remove this. A little bit of massage. अगर कोई भी excess serum है तो बहुत अच्छे से skin पे blend हो जाए. Now I'm gonna use this moisturizer. And the last is some lip balm. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to do all the good things like, comment, share and subscribe. With this note, I'm signing off. We'll meet you in my next video. Till then, stay sparkly.